Did you know one woman stole $2 million in jewelry over 60 years and almost never got caught? Meet Doris Payne. She started stealing diamonds in the 1950s and didn't stop until her 80s. Her method was pure psychology. She'd dress like a wealthy socialite, walk into the world's most exclusive jewelry stores, Cartier, Tiffany, the finest shops across 5 continents. Payne would engage salespeople in long conversations, ask to see the most expensive pieces, try on multiple items at once. Then she'd simply walk out wearing stolen jewelry. She spoke multiple languages, studied each store's security systems, memorized staff schedules. Her most legendary theft? A 10.5-carat diamond ring worth $500,000 from Cartier. Over 6 decades, she was arrested more than 20 times, but she kept going back. Even at age 85 during her final arrest, she had stolen a $2,000 pair of earrings. Doris Payne proved that sometimes the most dangerous criminal is the one you'd never suspect.